Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Okay students, I am your teacher Miss Sazin Nisar. I will teach you English from today onward. So our first lecture is an exciting football match chapter number 16. Okay? Topic of today's lecture is an exciting football match. This is chapter number 16. So, what you have to do, you have to go to page number 79. Okay, have you gone over there? So, let's start reading. Put your finger on your first line, that is, start from last Sunday. Okay, I'm going to read it. You have to listen me carefully. Okay, last Sunday, I went to to watch a football match with my friends. Sorry, with my family. The stadium was packed with people. The match was between two teams, Team A and Team B. Both the teams had good goalkeepers and their players were active. The match started when the referee blew the whistle. The match continued for 90 minutes, each half of 45 minutes. It was a remarkable game of fast and exciting football. Team A tried every trick to win. The players were excellent. Their captain was a shade above them. He was active and confident. He showed Team B a few of his tricks of dribbling and foxing them. He received a lot of cheers from the crowd for it. Team A scored a goal in the 15th minute. However, brilliant saves by the goalkeeper of the Team B kept the score 1-0 till half time. After the interval, Team A came under pressure. The young confident player of Team B, with all their might, they scored two goals one after another. Let's move on the next page, that is page number 80. Team A tried hard to equalize, but it couldn't. When the referee blew the final whistle, the crowd gave both the teams thunderous cheer for their hard and wonderful play. Team B won the match. They really deserved to win because they didn't get upset by Team's A lead in the first half. Although Team A lost by one goal, they too deserve praise for showing good and sporting game till the end. The player of Team A showed a lot of sportsman spirit. Okay, this is the reading of your chapter. Now moving to the next on activity. So what you have to do, you have to ready your page of your notebook. You have to write date over there, day over there, classwork in the middle of the line, and then you have to draw margin. After drawing margin and preparing your page of notebook, you have to write topic, an exciting football match. Activity will be dictation words. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to write difficult words that are given below on your notebook. So your first word is pack, P A C K. E D. Pack. Second word is team. T E A M. Team. Third word is match. M A T C H. Match. Fourth word is goalkeeper. G O A L. Goal. K double E P E R. Keeper. Goalkeeper. Fifth word is equalize. E Q U A L I S E. Equalize. Sixth word is referee. R E F E R double E. Referee. Seventh word is continued. 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 Eighth word is remarkable. Remark. Remark. Able. Able. Remarkable. Okay, so your ninth word is exciting. 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 Tenth word is trick. 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 11th word is excellent. 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 12th word is confident. 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 13th word is dribbling. 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 14th word is foxing. 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 15th word is swimming. 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 16th word is crowd. Crowed. Crowd. 17th word is brilliant save. Brilliant. Brilliant. Saves. Save. 18th word is under pressure. Under. Under pressure. 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 19th word is wonderful. Wonder. Wonder. Full. Full. Sorry, full. Full. So, wonderful. And the last word is thunderous. 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 Okay. So you have to write all these words neatly and nicely. Okay. Did you get it? That's great. Okay, student. Your next task is you have to write words meaning. Okay. Topic will be the same, an exciting football match, but activity will be changed over here. Activity will be words meaning. Okay. So I have solved some meanings and some meaning I have left for you. You have to check it out and then you have to write it by yourself. Okay. So you can take a help from the glossary that is given at the end of the book. Okay. So first word is pack, meaning full. Second word is referee, meaning umpire. Third word is remarkable, meaning wonderful. Fourth word is exciting, meaning enjoying. Fifth word is trick, meaning a clever act. Sixth word is a shadow above, meaning better than the rest. Okay. So your seventh word is confident, meaning sure. Okay. So your eighth word is dribbling, meaning dodging other player. Okay. Foxing, to trick someone. Crowd, a group of people. Okay, I have written crowd for two times. Crowd and a crowd again. You can write it by one time, only one time. Okay. You have to write only one time. So next is brilliant save. Excellent move to avoid a goal. Okay, I have left some words for you. You have to write the meaning. Okay, how can you write meaning? You can take help from the glossary that is given at the end of your book. Okay, every word meaning is present over there. You can check it over there and you can write it. Okay, student, did you get it? That's great. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first read the chapter. After reading, you have to write difficult word on your notebook. After writing difficult word on your notebook, you have to write word meaning on your notebook. Okay, you have to write all these tasks neatly and nicely. Okay, by drawing proper margin, writing date and day, classwork, topic, activity, each and everything should be proper. In a proper way, you have to write. Okay, so after doing your task, what you have to do, you have to turn in tasks to me in Google Classroom. Okay, I have created classroom for you and you are a student of that classroom. So whatever the task is being assigned to you in Google Classroom, you have to turn in. How to turn in your task to your teacher? Simply, whenever you go to your class, sorry, whenever you go to your class or you have to go to your classroom, whatever the task is or shown to you, you have to simply click it if you have done it. Okay, click. When you ever click it, a window will appear and the window will ask, would you want to turn in? Just to have to first attach the file and then turn in, and another window appear, turn in or cancel. Okay, then you have again press turn in. Okay, if you have any issue relating this how to turn in your task to your teacher, you can watch my video that has been uploaded on our YouTube channel, Brilliance International Education System. Okay, the name of our YouTube channel is Brilliance International Education System. So you have to go over there, you have to watch the whole the video, and after getting knowledge about how to turn in, you have to turn all your tasks to your teacher. Okay, okay, student, did you get it? That's great. Okay, student, Allah Hafiz.